Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. It is Sugar here, and if you're loving this pink combination, keep watching. Okay sweeties, so we're jumping straight into this. I'm using Adora's dye. I got pink petal, pink rose, and Fiesta fuchsia, and these are the three I'm going to be using. First, I'm starting off with the pink petal. I should have done 2 bottles of this. It probably would have been a little bit stronger, but I do like the way it came out. I just have a low amount of water in my sink. I mixed it up really good with a spoon I got from the Dollar Tree. And make sure it's all evaporated into the water so you don't have any like weird streaks or anything. And then you just start dipping it in. It's gonna get more and more bold the more you dip it in, so you can achieve the color you want. You kind of have a control on how pigmented it is. As you can see, like one dip, it was like super pastel. If you want to absorb all of that color, just keep dipping it in. So this is how the first pink turned out. Still pastel, but it is a pretty pink, okay? So now we're gonna go into the pink rose. I got 2 bottles of this to make sure it was strong enough. And I'm not gonna empty out the water, just keep adding in the colors as you go. Mix it in really well, just like we did the first time, and start dipping. So the inspiration that I was really going for was like a 99 Gwen Stefani vibe. Just a very hot pink with a little light pink going through it. It wasn't exact, but it came out really nicely. I think the next time I do it, I will probably paint the dye on instead of dipping it, just so I have even more control of what I'm doing. But yes, it came out really cute, you guys. As you can see, this is a very hot pink. I'm in love. So I don't want to put the roots back in the water. So what I'm doing is taking the dye water on my hand and kind of marrying that light pink down to the darker pink, just little by little. I don't want to dip the whole thing. I just kind of want it to start blending down into the darker pink. So you can kind of control that by picking up the water and splashing it on the part that you want to be dyed. Okay, so this color is optional. This is the last color we're using, the Fiesta Fuchsia. It was to deepen up the ends and just make it kind of like an ombre, kind of give it a little bit more dimension. You definitely don't have to do this if you don't want to. But yeah, I just used 1 bottle of this, mix it up really good with what's already in the pool, and only dip the ends. Don't make it a straight line, but just kind of like dip it in a little by little, so it kind of bleeds into the color you put in before, if that makes sense. So this is what it's looking like after I pulled it out, brushed it out, and put it on the wig head. You can definitely see that it's lighter in the top and it goes down to this hot pink and then a darker hot pink. The roots are still light. It's giving very much rosy. I love it. So now we're gonna get into the installing process. So I'm not really going into depth on this install because that's not the purpose of the video. Is to kind of like show you how the colors turned out and how it looks after I style it. But if you are interested in how to tone your knots on your blonde or colored hair, I'm gonna put that video up in the cards. Go check that out. It changes everything, you guys. If you really want to make your blonde units or color units look realistic, so go check out that video, and I'll also put up this wig when I installed it when it was blonde. I'll put that up in the cards as well if you'd like to check it out. And there's also a link to the hair in that video. So I'm just gonna let you guys kind of watch me install this and then we'll talk at the end. Okay, sweeties, so this is how it's looking. I'm really pleased with it. Like I said, I feel like if I would have painted the dye on, I definitely would have had more of the light pink going throughout the wig. But this came out still really cute. And was still really soft and everything after I dyed it. So yes, tell me what you think down in the comments. Tell me some other cute color combinations you think I should try out. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until next time, stay sweet.